G'day guys, it's Al here from Al and Imo, and this video I'm going to talk to you all about TouchWood, which is this timber paneling you can see all throughout our house, and I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks I've learnt along the way of installing the TouchWood paneling in our house. G'day guys, we're Al and Imo. We're a husband and wife duo with two beautiful daughters building our dream lifestyle one project at a time.
Welcome to the Good Day House series, where we'll be sharing fortnightly videos featuring how we built our house from the ground up. Although unfinished, the Good Day House is a modern, all-electric 7.5-star energy-efficient home situated in the beautiful coastal town of Torquay, about 5 minutes from iconic Bells Beach.
There's no denying that my wife Imo and I love timber. So when it came to designing our first family home with our builder Sheriff, we knew from the beginning that it would feature a lot of timber. We love the warmth and character that it provides, plus as a furniture maker and carpenter, I know how to build with it and maintain it. Early on in our build, we were introduced to a product called TouchWood by Britton Timbers. These are 9mm moisture resistant MDF tongue and groove panels with a timber veneer face that gives the illusion of solid timber lining boards. They are available in a variety of different colourways, and for our house we chose the Tasmanian oak on natural. The beauty of these panels is that they come in sheets 1200 wide and in lengths up to 3.6 metres, which means you can cover a large surface area quicker and more sustainably than using solid hardwood. Britton Timbers Tasmanian oak is all PEFC sustainably sourced timber from the northwest region of Tasmania. Excited by the product, we ended up using TouchWood in a few different ways throughout our house. We lined the ceiling in our main living, dining and kitchen area. We used it for walls, under our island bench, our bed head, and also applied it to our bedroom joinery doors. Having now installed close to 400 square metres of TouchWood, I feel confident in sharing my installation techniques with you. The first thing I did was seal all of the panels. I used Fitty's hard wax oil in satin finish with a foam roller, making sure to squeeze most of the liquid out of the roller before applying it to the panels. We chose not to seal the V-grooves as we preferred the lines to be lighter in colour. Once dry, I measured and cut the panels using my track saw, which ensured that my cuts were straight and millimetre perfect. I sanded the panels using 240 grit sandpaper and applied a second coat of Fitty's hard wax oil. The reason we did this was so that the panels were silky smooth to touch. We also found it easier to pre-seal the panels, but you could also apply the second coat once installed. I fitted the tongue into the groove of the panel and then applied Selly's 650 FC adhesive sealant to the wall. I installed the panels one by one using the tongue and grooves to set them into place. And then I nailed them through the face of the board with small C1 brad nails and a nail gun. I used Timbermate timber putty in hardwood colour to fill in the nail holes and wiped away the excess putty with a baby wipe. Throughout the house, I've added these external corner details with a piece of Tassie oak that I've basically just ripped down to 10mm by 20mm this way, and then I've just nailed it on with my bradding gun and then just basically puttied all of the little gaps and just sanded it smooth and sealed it with the same Fitty sealer, and so it looks like a nice seamless finish on the corners. I lined our entire ceiling in a day with the help of a mate, proving that TouchWood panels are quick and easy and cost-effective alternative to timber paneling. They are a great option for DIYers, home builders, renovators, and especially for those who want to make a great visual impact and cover a large surface area quickly. You can access the step-by-step instructions, product links and photos by following the links below. And make sure to hit subscribe to us on our YouTube or sign up to our mailing list to receive more home build and design content straight to your inbox.